Salamat po, salamat.
Next si ate, ano ba L, si L. What's up, L?
Hello.
What's up, L?
Narinig mo ako?
Yeah.
Sorry. Kasi palpak yung microphone ko. Hindi, I wanted to say, I agree dun sa part where we shouldn't be bullying the children. Kasi yung culpability talaga nila, ang hirap patunayan.
Yeah.
I mean, there's really no way of proving it.
Yeah.
And I get it, nakakainis siyang tignan if you're going to go with the logic na, putek, pera ng bayan yan, pinangpaparis mo.
That's an emotional
that's
argument kasi, oo.
Right, diba? And the mob effect truly does, ang hirap i-pacify pag na yung mob effect talaga ng mga tao.
Yeah.
And it's so hard to try to explain, you can call people out without bullying them.
Yeah.
You can have a dialogue or discussion. Mahirap lang yung i-convey sa social media. Mas lalo na pag ang daling sabihin ang gusto mong sabihin behind the keyboard eh.
Correct.
Type mo lang, post, bala ka na. I don't care if you feel bad. Diba?
Yeah, parang meron na ako yung dopamine shot ngayon.
Diba? Yung parang, I'm miserable, so gawin din kitang miserable kasi tignan mo yung buhay mo compared sa akin. Kami binaha, ikaw nagpa-party, yung what the F, yung gano'n. Pero paano ba yan? The chain reaction of the mob effect, as negative and wrong as it is, has now caused this call for lifestyle check and looking into it. Now, whether they mean it or not, ibang ibang usapin na yan. Nagkaroon pa rin siya ng ng effect because of the mob effect.
Yeah.
So parang ayokong pumanig doon sa alam ko kasing mali. But then now there's that consequence of, okay, titignan ng meron na ninyo. Sisilsilin bigla because the mob is not falling silent. Ayaw nilang tumigil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And actually, that is actually my position as well. Kaya nga, never ko sinabi na you cannot bully.
Right.
Kasi even kahit tanong mo sa mga tao, sabi ko, you think you're a bully? I'm also a bully. Of a bully.
Lahat naman tayo may capability yung mag-bully eh.
Diba?
It just takes the right trigger talaga.
Kasi, sa akin kasi, merong usefulness yung mga nambubuli.
Yeah.
Okay? May usefulness sila. But the problem here kasi is, we shouldn't bully like to the point na driving them to kill themselves.
Oh yeah, of course.
Okay?
Or mental imbalance to the point na they don't want to go out, they don't feel safe. Yeah.
Ako, I have no problem with that muna. Kasi that's part of the process eh. That's just part of the process ng self
torture.
Realization na parang you have to be called out, you have to be pressured na para mag-create ng doubt sa sarili mo, may irritation, and then you actually recalculate everything na parang, what did I do wrong? Right?
Ang hirap lang kasing tansyahin ng threshold ng tao. Why
Correct.
it gets so scary for me is,
Yes.
minsan yung akala mong kaya mong i-take personally, yung katabi mo hindi kaya eh.
Correct. Oo. Yeah,
Yun yung
I
nakakataka
agree.
doon for me.
I agree. Kaya nga sabi ko, we have to be careful. So ngayon, kailangan din ng mga tao na katulad ni Pinoy Extreme, kahit mali siya. Hindi, tama naman siya. Agree naman ako sa kanya. Agree naman ako sa kanya eh. So, kailangan ng mga tao na katulad ni Pinoy Extreme na to call this out. Kaya din ako nag-stand up to actually help him na, teka, yung mga nambubuli, teka lang, isipin nyo muna mabuti, tama ba yung ginagawa nyo? Kumbaga, para sa akin the way I see it, ang gusto ko lang mangyari dito is, if you still want to continue bullying those people, yung children, then go ahead. Pero ang gusto ko lang is, I want you to be accountable by giving you the burden of knowledge, yung binigay ko sa inyong logical argument na you cannot do that. Yung awareness, right? So at least, if you actually continue bullying those people, right, you know what you're doing, right?
Exactly.
Yeah?
Yun yan.
Yun lang yung gusto mo. Yun lang yung gusto ko. Yun lang yung gusto ko. Kapag if you continue to bully those people, at least I gave you the argument at aware ka na ngayon na this is the argument. So ngayon, magkakaroon ng irritation na rin sa kanila. Teka lang. Binubuli ko na parang may sa conscious kasi alam nila yung intellectual sa intellect side nila, they know it's wrong.
Right.
So ngayon magkakaroon ngayon ng conflict yung action nila as impulse nila, yung galit nila dahil taxpayers money yan eh.
Yeah.
And then yung logical thinking nila. So kailangan ngayon nilang i-rebalance yung dalawang yon. Bahala na kayo. Basta sinasabi ko lang, so pag ginawa nyo pa rin yan, at least alam nyo na. Kumbaga
True.
sa Christianity yung ganito eh. I'm going to preach Christianity to you, and then, at least I know na kapag ka dininay mo yung gospel, alam kong dinidinay mo yung tunay na gospel.
Right. Yeah. That's another, way of putting it. Yeah.
Yeah, kasi ayoko nung mali kasi yung dinidinay mong gospel eh. So, ito yung tunay na gospel. Pag nireject mo yan, okay. Go ahead. Buyer.
Yeah, I mean, kahit yung Ten Commandments, nakabalandra, di ba? And if it's up to you, if you're going to stray away from that or not.
Correct.
Pero,
Pero,
depende
alam mo.
sa belief mo. Yeah.
Pero alam
Yun
mo,
na
kumbaga, nakaano sa consciousness mo yung Ten Commandments, right?
Yeah.
You violate it, you know you're violating it.
True.
Yun,
You're aware.
Yun din yung ginagawa natin to actually call out those people na binubuli yung mga taong yun. Binibigyan lang natin sila ng nuanced view of things na para, okay, wag masyadong maposok.
Oo.
Yeah?
Hindi, tama. Tama lang naman na may lumabas din ng balance kasi other people are like, anong tigilan daw natin yung mga anak nila? Hello, ganyan. You're encouraging other people to bully. Finu-fuel mo yung fire.
Yeah.
Pero explain mo din yung pwedeng maging consequences nun. And if you go as far as saying, wala akong pake kahit mag-unalive siya,
Oo. That's a
then
problem.
at least, you know na naging demonyo ka katulad ng demonyong ina-argue mo.
Oh, you chose. You
chose.
chose to be the monster. You're saying na you're trying to fight, right?
You become as evil as the evil that you hate. So, wala ka sa panig ng good even then. Kasi, kaya nga tayo may justice system. There are processes and protocols. Now, one could argue in a different segment that the justice system itself is flawed. And okay, yes. But, if the law were in our hands, chaos tayo ngayon. Wala tayong ganito. Magulong mundo.
Yeah.
Lalo.
Yeah, kaya nga lagi sinasabi kasi kapag ka nagdidibang ako, may nagsasabi na hero daw ako. Sabi ko, I'm not a hero. I'm just necessary.
The dialogue needs to exist kasi. The dialogue
Exactly.
needs to exist.
Exactly. It needs to be
Whether you
it
agree
needs
or
to be
not.
said. It needs to be said, and kailangan marinig ng tao 'yon, and then they actually evaluate it, and maybe I can change their minds. So magkakaroon sila ng nuanced view. If that is possible, then good.
Yeah.
If not, then let's watch the mob.
Hindi kasi we live too much in the cancel culture that you have to be saying the same thing to be accepted. And that cannot always be the case. Kasi to have balance, there needs to be the good, the bad, the white, the black. The other dialogue needs to exist kahit hindi mo siya gustong marinig.
Yeah.
You have to hear it. You have to be able to sit down and hear it. Kunyari, yung example ko, yung last na eleksyon, super hate mo sina BBM or sa the unity whatever, but you can't sit down and listen to what they're saying. And then yung kabila naging sarado na rin na basta Lenny hindi wala. You have
Tama.
to be able to sit down and hear the contradictory dun sa paniniwala mo, or else I have to question your judgment.
Yeah, kasi kailangan mo kumbaga, sino ba naman ng tao na ayaw makuha lahat ng information na kaya niyang makuha
Yes.
to actually decide, right?
Or else it's just a bias na.
Hindi, kulto na lang yun.
Di ba? Yeah, yung sarado ko na yung tenga mo, ayokong marinig, tama kami, you live in a bubble, and I hope, hindi kayo matisod and maging mali at magmukhang tanga because you weren't willing to listen to the other side to form or better your opinion.
Correct.
Kasi you're allowed to change eh. You're allowed to change.
Hindi, tsaka, yun nga yung point eh. Kasi, kaya, actually, alam din ng mga PR ng pati yung mga strategies ng mga politicians eh. Kapag sinabi daw ng mga, parang mga 1 year before the election, parang nasolidify na yung decision ng mga tao kung sino iboboto nila eh.
Yeah.
Kaya
yes.
they're trying to exploit that moment eh. Na magsisiraan sila sa first 2 years, blah, 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 and then, i-solidify na nila doon sa last year or ilang months before the election. Kasi in that way, you cannot change their minds na.
Yeah.
'Di ba? That's one of the problems ng utak ng tao. So wala tayong magagawa. Ay, ganun
I mean,
talaga.
even pagdating sa part ng consumerism, di ba? Pag decided ka isang brand, ang hirap ilipat ng utak ng tao.
Actually, ganun ang habit ko. Pag pupunta ako ng mall, minsan lang pumunta ng mall, pero alam ko na yung bibiling ko. You cannot
same.
change my mind.
Yeah, same. Same talaga. Isa lang gamot, isang ganito, isang ganito. Ang hirap palitan. So, it's the dialogue needs to exist nonetheless. Yun lang naman. Gusto ko lang i-amplify yung sinasabi mo din.
Thank you. Thank you,
Yeah.
Ed.
Thank you also. Bye! Salamat, salamat.